Hello friends, welcome back on your own channel. Today in this video we will discuss about ultra filter principle. In this principle we use Jones lemma. Jones lemma states that every non-void partially ordered set in which each chain has an upper bound has a maximal element, means every non-void partial ordered set in which each chain has an upper bound then has a maximal element. If chain has an upper bound, then there exists a maximal element. Now we move ultrafilter principle. Ultrafilter principle states that every filter is contained in an ultrafilter. Now it's proving, let F be a filter on a set X. We consider alpha any set in such a way that F dash such that F dash is a filter on X and F containing in F dash. Means in alpha all types of F dash exist which containing F. So alpha is non-empty because F belongs to alpha. Let X be a set, non-empty set, and F be a filter defined on X, and alpha is a set in which F dash types of filter exist which contain F. So alpha is non-empty. Then alpha is a partially ordered set under set inclusion because A partially ordered relation B if and only if set A contained in B. Now we shall prove that every chain of alpha has an upper bound. Let alpha star, which is proper subset of alpha, be a chain, and let F star is equals to union of F dash such that F dash belongs to alpha star. Next we claim that F star is a filter on X, and we have three properties for proving F star is a filter. X belongs to F dash, or for all F dash belongs to alpha star because we define F dash filter on X, for all F dash belongs to alpha star, and in alpha star which is contained in alpha, which we discussed above. Then we move X belongs to F star, and F star क्या हो गया, non-empty. Now phi is not belongs to F dash, for all F star belongs to alpha star. So F star is non-empty and phi is not belongs to F star. First properties of filter is fulfilled. Let two sets A, B belongs to F star, then there exist F1 dash, F2 dash belongs to alpha star because we define F star filter as union of F dash where F dash belongs to alpha star such that A belongs to F1 dash and B belongs to F2 dash. Now alpha star is a chain. We above discussed about alpha star is contained in alpha be a chain. Either F1 dash is properly contained in F2 dash or F2 dash contained in F1 dash. Now we suppose that F1 dash is contained in F2 dash, then both sets A and B belongs to F2 dash. This implies that both sets are intersections or also belongs to F2 dash. Hence A intersection B belongs to F because F2 dash belongs to F star. So A both sets intersections are also belongs to F star. So second property is also fulfilled. Now we move on third property. Let A belongs to F star be such that B is a superset of A, required to prove, we have to prove that B belongs to F star. Now A belongs to F star, which is given. This implies that A belongs to F dash for some F dash belongs to F star, because F star we define as F star is equals to union of F dash, where F dash belongs to alpha star. But F dash is a filter and A belongs to F dash and B is superset of A. A belongs to F dash and B is superset of A. Then B is also belongs to F dash and F dash belongs to F star. Then B is also belongs to F star. B is also belongs to F dash and F dash belongs to F star. So this implies that B belongs to F star. Hence F star is a filter on X. Now F is contained in F dash for all F dash belongs to F star. Now we have F is contained in F star because F is contained in F dash and F dash belongs to F star. So F is also belongs to F star. F is also contained in F star. This implies that F star belongs to alpha, because F star belongs to alpha because we define alpha as in which F dash types of filters containing F. So F star belongs to alpha. We consider this equation first. Also F dash is contained in F star for all F dash belongs to alpha star. So F star is a upper bound of alpha star. Then by Jones lemma state that if a non-empty set, and we have proved F star is a non-empty set and F star is a upper bound of alpha star, then by Jones lemma alpha has a maximal element which we say F double star. Then F containing in F double star, because F contained in F dash and also contained in F star, and F double star is a maximal element. Next we prove that F double star is a ultra filter on X. For this we have to prove that we have no other F which properly contained F double star. For this, let F double star is properly contained in F dash, where F dash is a filter on X. Then F dash belongs to X because F is properly contained in F dash. Now F double star is properly contained in F dash, where F dash belongs to X, and F double star is a maximal element which we have proved. Then F dash is contained in F double star. Then this equation and this equation, from second and third equation we say that F double star is equals to F dash. Hence F double star is an ultra filter on X because we have no other F which properly contain which is properly containing F double star. Thank you so much viewers for watching this video.